Hey guys! Tonight for dinner I will be making Cuban chicken. I'm using a sweet, savory, and citrusy marinade that I think you guys will really enjoy. Let's get started. So we're going to place 6 pieces of skinless, boneless chicken breast in a baking pan and set it aside. Now we're going to prepare the marinade. In a food processor, I'm going to add some orange juice, some lemon juice, some grapeseed oil. You can also use olive oil if that's what you prefer. Then I'm going to add in some maple and agave syrup. You can also use regular maple syrup if that's what you have. Now I'm going to use some minced garlic, some pink Himalayan salt, a little bit of ground garlic powder, some onion salt or onion powder, whichever you have, some ground ginger. You can also use a couple pieces of fresh chopped ginger. Then we're going to toss in some ground cumin for a little earthy flavor, some ground black pepper, and then I'm going to grab 1 lime and I'm going to zest it until I have about a teaspoon or a little more of zest in a bowl. So go ahead and just keep shaving until you get enough in there. Then we're going to take that and add it to the food processor with the rest of the ingredients. Once you add all of it in there, you're going to go ahead and blend it up until everything is well combined. It usually takes about a couple seconds, maybe a minute, depending on the food processor that you have. When you're done, pour the marinade over your raw chicken thighs, and then you're going to wrap them tightly with some plastic wrap. We're going to place them in the refrigerator for about an hour or up to 24 hours. It's up to you. When you're done, take the plastic wrap off and wrap it with foil and then pop it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to chop up some fresh cilantro and a green onion to use as a garnish for the top of the chicken once it's ready to serve. Now let's check on our chicken. And it looks like it's done. Now I did spoon some of the juices on top halfway through and then left it to cook the rest of the way uncovered. That's what gave it this nice caramelized glaze on top. Now let's plate that chicken up, and then we're going to go ahead and add on our garnishes, the cilantro and the onions. And you can also cut up some fresh lime slices to add on the side. And then you're done. Let me know in the comments if you like this dish. See ya!